Types of container and quantity. Cup. A cup of coffee. A cup of tea. Glass. A glass of wine. A glass of water. Mug. A beer mug. A large mug of soda. Jug. A jug of juice. A jug of water. Jar. A jar of honey. A jar of jam. A jar of pickles. Can. A can of soda. A can of peas. Bottle. A bottle of water. A bottle of medicine. Packet. A packet of sugar. A packet of chewing gum. Bag. 2 plastic bags. A bag of rice. Tub. A tub of ice cream. A tub of tomato salad. Pack. A pack of cigarettes. A 6-pack of beer. Bunch. A bunch of banana. A bunch of flowers. Bowl. A bowl of rice. A bowl of cereal. Box. A cardboard box. A box of matches. Tray. For tray of cakes. A tray of fruits. Basket. A wicker basket. A basket of vegetables. Bar. A chocolate bar. A bar of soap. Slice. A slice of pizza. A slice of bread. Tube. A tube of toothpaste. A tube of cleanser. Dozen. A half-dozen eggs. 2 dozen cookies. Loaf. 3 loaves of breads. A loaf of brown bread. Kilo. A quarter of kilo. A kilo of oranges. Liter. A liter of oil. 3 liters of water.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.